Hello guys, good evening. How you all doing? In today's presentation, I'll be teaching you how you can trade on spots, Binance spots. If you're new to Digital Wealth Academy, feel free to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, a whole lot of people who are subscribed here probably are people who trade with the rare keyboards. Okay, now, but most times there are some coins you might want to purchase with the rare keyboard, and you discover it's not on the bots, but it's on Binance. So this is how you can just do that manually, so that you don't miss out any crypto call which you might get to see on the signal groups. So to do this, first of all, step one, ensure you have any stable coin, be it USDT or BUSD, on your what's it called now, on your Binance. Now once you have that, then you're good to go. So first of all, the next thing you need to do is click on markets. So this is the market tab here. So you'd click on markets. Now when you click on markets, basically you have the spots and the futures. Okay, now this is about spot trading and not futures trading. What's the difference between both of them? First of all, in sports you do not lose your capital. Okay, that's because you do not also collect leverage. Now what is a leverage? Leverage simply means you're borrowing money from the exchange, and the collateral is your capital, meaning you're going to be taking either a long or a short position. So if the market goes against your position, then trust me, you lose everything. That's what futures trading is. On spot, however, you're not doing any leverage at all. All you're simply doing basically is you're buying an asset. As soon as the asset increases, then your money also appreciates, while as soon as the price of the assets decreases, your money depreciates. Okay, so that's the main difference. So basically, if you're new to crypto trading, then be comfortable with sports trading. Leave this side for those who are masters in it, okay, so that you don't end up taking leverages and elsewhere losing your capital. So now what you need to do is click on spots, then also hit this search menu over here, all right, and search for whatever coin you want to buy. So for example, one of the trending coins which I've been following for a while now is FTM. So I'll be clicking on FTM. So now you can see it's having different trading pairs, FTM slash USDT slash BUSD and all that. So basically I have USDT and I want to convert my USDT to FTM. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on FTM slash USDT. Now I'm here. Okay, so you can see the charts. It has been moving upward. Okay, it has done over more than 12% actually since when I've been following it from $2.3. All right, so you can see basically this is the order book. The buying side, this green side is the buying side, while the red side, the selling side. So first of all, we want to buy. So all we need to do is click on this buy option here. So I'll hit the buy. All right, now there are two types. There are different types of orders, though the two main ones are limits or market order. We have stop limits, that's more advanced. We're not going to cover that in this training, but subsequently in a more advanced stage we'll be talking about that. So first of all, the limit order simply means you have a particular price at which you want to enter the market. Now what can inform you basically can be this chart here, which you've seen. Either you know, or you know at what price you want to enter. So it's very possible for you to change the price. So let's say I want to enter the market at present price is 29228, they're about fluctuating, and let's say I want to enter the market at this point 29 whatever. All I can do is I can click this price. The moment you click any price here, automatically it changes here. That is one way to do it. If you have a preset price, for example, you want to buy when it's 2.7, all you need to do is come and click 2.7 here. So meaning you've already set up the price here, the limit price at which you want to enter. That is number one. Then number two is basically the amount. So talking about amount, if you have a particular amount of FTM, you can put that there. Otherwise, you can click the dollar value you want to buy. So I have about 298 USDT. So let's say I want to buy 98 with $98. That automatically gives me 36 FTM. Okay, so once you've done that, all you need to do right now is hit the buy FTM. So once you hit the buy FTM, so let me just do that for you. So automatically you can see it's here already. Open orders. As soon as it reaches the price we put was 2.7. As soon as it reaches 2.7, it's going to buy. So it's not going to buy until that point. Then the next kind of order you can do is the market order. Now the market order, basically all you need to do is click here. So when you click on market order, for example, market order means you want it to be executed almost immediately with the best available market price. So for example, we want to still buy $98, okay, and I'm going to click on buy FTM. Automatically it has been executed, so it's going to be so immediate with the best or the present price at which the market is at that point in time. So that is the whole idea of the buying. Now if you want to sell, it's either you come back here to the same sell option, or you simply come back and follow the process from the start and go markets over here. Okay, you go to markets over here and click on FTM. Click on FTM USDT, but right now you're going to be clicking on sell. So to sell, it's quite similar. Now you'll be focusing more on the red side over here. So if the present price is 2.9193, you'd want to sell at a higher price than when you bought. So you can, if it's a market means it's going to be selling at the instant or the immediate price. Otherwise you can take it to a limit. So let's say you want it to sell when it's at 3.0. all right, sorry, okay, that will be over here, not here. So here at 3.0, meaning that's the price you want it to sell. Sorry, just a minute. Okay, this is where you're talking of, this is where you're feeling it. So at 3.0, for example, then you can now put in the amount or the dollar what you want to sell, or the number of FTM you want to sell, whichever one. So we have about $33, or 33 FTM. That should be about 90 something dollars. So let's say I want to sell $50 what at 3.0. That will be like I'm selling 16 FTM once the price reaches 3.0. So basically this is you doing the buying and selling by yourself. So you're buying, so let's imagine you're buying at 2.5 for example, and it appreciates to 3.0 and you want to sell off. Basically that's the concept there. So rather than the RailQ bot doing this for you, since the coin is not available on RailQ, then it's basically you monitoring your trade, taking note of when you're entering the market, and also coming here to sell it in the same process. So I hope this guides you basically in your own idea of manual trading.